Malaria Day was organized by Health and Family Welfare Society at Bhavan on Thursday. Governor Indrasena Reddy Nalu and the Director of National Health Mission, Baram Bhushan Das, were present as chief guests. While speaking at the program, Governor Indrasena Reddy Nalu gave a detailed presentation on how to avoid and prevent from malaria diseases.
100 countries worldwide and some 9 lakh people die from the disease each year. However, malaria is preventable with the use of medicines and other precautionary measures such as insecticide, treated wet nets and indoor insecticide spraying. Let us accelerate the fight against malaria for a more equitable world through. For prevention of malaria, contribution of all sectors, all departments like Public Works Department, Rural Development, Agriculture, Education, Panchayat, Meteorological Department, Armed Forces, Science and Technology need to contribute keeping malaria elimination as a priority goal to achieve with developing broad-based intersectorial convergence with all sectors through general administration. The state will move forward towards elimination of malaria from Tripura.
Reporter by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.